I'm having serious deja vus. This is like maybe the third one now. The first one was in T-Mobile when I was getting a SIM. I remember seeing the sign across the street. I think it was Pepsi or Coca-Cola sign. Looking out from T-Mobile, I remember seeing that vividly and being like right in that moment. When I was talking to the girl, she was even like, makes you wonder if we're in a simulation. I was like, don't even get me started. And then I had one just when I was sitting outside in the sun, like, oh, I remember this. And I just have one right now, sitting here as I just came inside. That's 2 like back to back, and that's 3 so far in Vegas that I've had. Don't know what's going on, but it's just like I've been in this position. I've been sitting here right here. I don't know. All right, it's Friday night. We are going to meet up with Jock Nerdy and BigglesMets, who just got in here, the hype man himself. So we're gonna meet up with Biggles, Jock Nerdy, and we're gonna go out and do, I don't know, we'll see what happens. Friday night in Vegas, baby. Look what we got.
Yeah, what's up, everybody?
The hype man.
You got assaulted, right?
This is where I got assaulted, on this bridge.
You're like, crunky, Sheila.
That was back in like 2000.
You almost like shit. I'm convinced is afraid of beautiful women.
Alright, so
Gang, Arkansas's a bitch.
Hype man.
Actually, yeah, Arkansas's a lady. Lyndon, go talk to those girls. Come on, Lyndon.
No.
Hey, everyone.
Thank you, Biggles. What? That's not England. It's not Australia.
I said, they're from England, you're from Australia.
Okay.
You can say hi, when you're waving, you can talk to them. Don't be afraid of girls, Lyndon. Be afraid of girls.
You're afraid of men,
At all. There you go with that.
Wild. I said wild. Thank you.
All right. Thank you for saying.
Okay. Jesus fucking Christ, Biggles. He is peer pressure. I don't like it.
I'm just trying to get him lucky, okay?
Look at the Trump. That's America's tower. What's Biden's tower? They couldn't pay for Biden's new tower because of the inflation costs. Oh my God, Biggles is like a child, mate. He's just staring at the chicks. And they look at, oh, you know what?
I think so. But hey, she was staring back. It was like physically sexual.
No.
Anytime you touch someone on the shoulder is sexual.
No.
Don't do it. Come here, Lyndon.
I look, there's stream reception.
I said, I'll let you be an honorary American. You walk where we're not supposed to across the streets.
It's called Jaywalking the Planet. Shout out Drunk 3PO. I don't want your titty cards, Biggles.
You don't?
Don't put that on the camera.
Floor. Hold on, wait. This one's Angel for 69.
Oh my God, 69. What? It shot out wrong?
Yeah, because it's a bendy straw.
Oh, that's what she said.
I'll bend it any way she wants it.
Oh God. What's going on, Biggles? Yeah, there's the whole strip route, all the way down there. All the way down to Trump. Alright people, I'll see you later. Saturday afternoon, a bit windy. Afternoon, evening. Kind of windy still. Clouds are basically, no, they've gone, but I think there's more over there. Oh, it's really blowing now. What we call blowing a gale. Holy f*** Vegas, chill the f*** out. Oh my God. Alright, going out. It's Saturday night now. It's actually taken a very windy, cold turn. It's almost jacket level weather, almost. I reckon a couple of degrees cooler. Starting to get a bit nippy. Right now, it's just manageable.